Nikki and Hayden, the creators behind Journey More. If you haven't been following us recently, we have set out to stay in some of the most unique Airbnbs in America and share our experience with you. We took a week to stay at 5 different Airbnbs back to back. The first, a 100-foot fire tower, the second, a whimsical treehouse, the third, a cozy night in the trees, and now one of our favorite spots, the Carolina Treehouse in Charlotte, North Carolina. Be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any of our other incredible stays. Right on the water. Get out.
No way. Are we going to be able to do that?
We can paddle out in the...
Oh!
It's like your own little private pond.
What? I guess it's like a built-in hammock.
That's cool. I feel like this place is going to be like my dream treehouse, or even just dream house in general. So we got to take our shoes off before we go inside to make sure everything is pristine clean. So we're going to do that real quick. Oh, this place is so cute. Oh, what a skylight.
Oh.
Love everything. Now it is time to give you a full tour of this treehouse. So you first come up to these beautiful wooden stairs that lead you up to the treehouse itself. If you walk straight out, you have this gorgeous view of the pond that you can take in. And then if we keep going down the deck, you'll pass the front of the treehouse that has these cedar shingles, giving it a unique look that is gorgeous. Over here, you have these cute little egg chairs that you can sit in and spin in, as well as a little outside table for you to have a meal if you want to. And the coolest part about this deck, by far, is this suspended rope hammock that is built into the deck so you can lay down and enjoy. Wow, and you look up and see this massive tree above you. It's awesome. Coming back around this way, you actually have an outdoor shower, which Hayden and I love outdoor showers, so I cannot wait to try out this thing. And they even have soap for you. Also, they have a propane grill, so if you want to cook out while you're here, this is definitely an option. And now for the best part. I'm in love, you're gonna be in love. I'm making you anticipate because it's truly awesome. So you walk into this massive foyer, kitchen, dining room, living space area. It's all in one. But the incredible thing is they have this 2-story ceiling with these windows that go all the way up, letting in so much light. So the kitchen has everything that you need to make a meal on a stovetop. They've got a fridge and this huge sink. And look at the way that they decorated it with the dishware that they have. Coming in here is the half bath that they have with this retro sink that, as Hayden says, you could wash a baby in that. It's so big.
Good.
Stand mirror, toilet, towels, other extra things that you might need while you're here. Awesome bathroom. Over here is a dining area that allows you to look out over the pond. Also next to it, they have a record player. So we're definitely gonna be playing music tonight. Over here is this beautiful antique chest that has games in the top drawer, an empty drawer for your things, and in the bottom drawer, they have a beach towel for you if you go outside. Over here is the black white bedroom set that is so gorgeous. Yet another comfy bed to sleep on.
Good.
So excited. They have a lot more down below the treehouse and out by the pond, so let's go check this out. So if you come around back this way, we were so shocked to see that they provide kayaks for you. So you can take these babies out on the pond and have a little fun in the water, as well as cornhole boards. And then my absolute favorite part of this entire treehouse is the swinging bed down here. I could sit out here all day enjoying the pond. And then at night, above us are a bunch of lights that we can turn on and give it that magical celestial feel. You think that we're done there, but we're not, because there's more. Come on. Not too far from the treehouse is a fire pit of your own. We actually will be making our dinner over this because we brought some hot dogs to cook over the fire. So we'll see how that goes. Coming this way, over here, they have this huge wooden dock. So it's just you and the water, and it's awesome.
You want to do your spin?
The best part about this is your own private dock on their private pond, and to be honest, it's gorgeous.
I think best part about this treehouse is every piece of this is intentionally designed to catch your eye, to be elegant and beautiful. But I think my favorite part is the fact that there is so much to this as an experience rather than just a stay.
The options are endless.
This truly is a getaway, and we are so thankful to be able to stay here.
We for sure need to unpack and settle in.
That's true.
And then we should decide what our next venture is here. Smoked out. I'm getting smoked out.
So, funny thing about Nikki is she likes cheddar cheese on her hot dogs.
It's a Chicago thing.
Oh.
I think I'm gonna win this game. Feel it.
130. Ha-ha. Winner.
We're gonna go play a game of Jenga and listen to some records, and maybe I'll be able to beat him.
Good job.
Amazing, and they have hot water for days. I cannot wait for Hayden to try it. Journal time. You excited to go kayaking?
I am. Let's do it.
Yay! Let's go. That's wet.
I just wanna hold you. I just
Here we
wanna
go,
look
baby.
into your eyes and tell you that I want you. And you're the solution. You are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are, you are. You are the solution. You are the solution. You are the solution.
Now that was fun.
Wow, talk about an incredible experience. The Carolina Treehouse is a must stay. It is jam-packed. It kind of reminds me of, we stayed in a 1966 German UNIMOG, and that one was on a big piece of land with lots to do. And so it's very similar to that, but more luxury.
It was decorated beautifully. I loved
yeah.
every second of our stay.
If you want to stay here, we'll leave a link in the description below. You can go through that, book a night. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can be a part of the Journey More community. So come journey more with us.
And we'll see you next time.
Oh, we're supposed to take our shoes off. We gotta go back.
Into the shower. Had to hold it up. Oh, frog. Hello, frog. Look at you. Get it. Oh, my shoes. Dang it. I almost tripped over there too, y'all. They know I'm challenged.
Oh, yours is like thin. Sit on the little work chair.